Hi Rimsha, what's up?
Hi, nothing much. I'm just brainstorming about some men's grooming ideas for the men's grooming video that we're about to shoot. What about you?
Don't ask me, Rimsha. The date was so pathetic yesterday.
Oh my god, yes. I completely forgot you have that. How did that go?
The guy, I think he just woke up from his sleep and turned up for the date. I'm like, come on, little bit of grooming is all that you... Rimsha, are you even listening?
I have an amazing idea. Why don't we get some guys from the office and have them shoot a men's grooming video for us?
And you know what? I think I know somebody perfect for this. He's the one.
Oh my god, that is so exciting. Let's do this. And you can send this video to your disaster date so he can take a hint.
God, Rimsha, spare me the horror.
Wait for me, I'm coming. We'll go look for the guys together. But who should we ask though?
How about the two guys there? Hi guys.
Hi.
I'm Pooja, this is Rimsha, and we are content creators from SSBeauty.
So we're shooting this video about men's grooming where we're focusing on skincare and makeup for men. We have a celebrity makeup artist on board. Is this something you guys would be interested in?
Wow, that's exciting.
Sure.
Let's
Why
do
not?
it.
Let's do it.
Great.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So guys, now we're going to be handing you over to somebody who's going to take good care of you.
See you guys in a bit. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi guys, I'm Adrian Jacobs, celebrity makeup artist. So very interestingly, today is a very special day because I've come across two young lads, two young boys who actually was discussing their issues of their daily routine skin care. I'm going to start with you. So tell me, Saurav, what's going on?
So I face a lot of problems with my skin and I really genuinely need a solution for it. First, to begin with, I've got a oily skin, which is a very big issue. And secondly, I need to get rid of these acne marks that I have. And thirdly is a lot of dark circles because we are so used of working on our laptops and using screens. Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so what's your issue then?
So basically my issue revolves around both ends of the spectrum. That is ki when I'm outside and then I sweat a lot, I tend to sweat a lot, and when I'm in the workspace, my skin gets dry, and so I think it's a bit of a combination of both.
So you know what I'm going to do right now is I've heard your concerns. I'm going to take you through this little journey where we will have loads of things for you, but I'm going to make it really crispy. What I'm loving is that Shopper Stop has this wide range of products that can actually solve all your problems. So we're going to start with you first, Saurav, and let's see what we've got in you.
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So here's your stuff.
Excited.
So Prathamesh, what are you expecting in your kit?
I'm actually expecting that you help me to solve this dry skin issue, and I'm looking forward to it.
Let's see what's there for you now.
I'm
Excited?
Super.
Okay then. So you know what? Let me take you into a little bit of makeup. So you know I'm going to make your life very easy. Okay. So you want to take the very first product, which is the MAC concealers.
Okay.
Since you have a much darker under eye issue, you take the orange concealer right here and dab it very little at your under eyes. And why we are doing this and why a different color? Just so that this color is different from this. So we're going to try to match the colors, and how do we do this? With a corrector, and that's exactly what is used for MAC. So now above this, we're going to use your color tone concealer. So what I've got for you is a product from MAC, which is really good. It's fantastic. A lot of actors use this, and just this, and you're ready to go.
Sure.
So look up. Since you have sockets like really deep in, so you would take it very lightly onto the top. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to very lightly put a little bit on the marks that you think you have.
Yeah.
Very, very lightly without trying to hide anything. So as of now, this is what you look like, and I'm very, very glad with this result. So are you?
Yes, absolutely.
You remember you said earlier you want something quick and easy to like just set yourself and then go to work, and you literally said, yeah, I have 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm actually have selected products that will actually let you get out of the house in like 3 to 5 minutes after doing your makeup. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so the first product is that I'm going to give you this lovely product from MAC. It's a concealer.
Okay.
Just warm it up with like with a finger, and just apply it on your skin. On your under eye. Yeah, and seep it in and go all over your under eye. So we're going to use the correctors. We're going to use a nice darkish chocolate shade corrector, and put it right in between here, right above the beard, very lightly, and smack it off into the skin just exactly like how I'm doing it. Feels better and softer
Yeah, it does.
and chiseled.
A bit.
Works for you?
Yes, it does.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay then. So what I've done today is get the best products from SSBeauty and solve the problems of these two lovely gentlemen that we've met already. So both Saurav and Prathamesh, we have curated some stuff, and I tried my best to give them the best products that we have here, and guess what? They're loving it. I hope you do.
For all the men around thinking that makeup is only built up for women, I think you should give it a try and see how and what changes it does to your looks. But I strongly feel that it has helped me a lot to boost my confidence.
As I've covered the process, I can definitely say makeup is definitely for men. It can make you feel confident in your skin, and you can definitely go out and rock whatever you do.
The most interesting bit is that you can select from a very wide range of SSBeauty into accumulating what is your skin type. So don't shy away from getting your products and seeing exactly what we've done for these boys. Very simple and very quick. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel.